Garage Doors Lancashire, we are one of the UK's largest retailers of garage doors. We offer a vast range of styles, materials and opening mechanisms. We are a family business in Lancashire, supplying private and commercial customers for over 45 years. We can help design the perfect garage door for your home, and our friendly team will help you every step of the way. Here's what some of our customers say about us. For more information, get in touch today.